Good day everyone, my name is Maylin V. Durango, and for today's video I'm going to recite the glossary of terms of wood structure and identification. First, actinostyle, a prostyle with star-shaped outline and transection. Second, alternate pitting, in tricary element, pit in diagonal row. Third, anatomy, the study of internal structure. Fourth, brachysclerid, a short and roughly isogeometric sclerid resembling a parenchyma cell or a stone cell. Fifth is biserate ray, a ray in secondary various tissues, 2 cells in width. Sixth is bordered pit, a pit in which secondary wall overarches the pit membrane. Seventh, colis, or a stem. Eighth, cell, a structural and physiological unit living organism. The plant cell consists protoplast and cell wall. In non-living state, of cell wall only or cell wall, and in some non-living inclusion. Ninth is cell membrane, a translation of German Zellmembrane, which refers to the cell wall in that language. Tenth is derivative, a cell produced by division of a meristematic cell in such a way that it in such a way that it enters the path of differentiation into the body cell. Its sister cell may remain in the meristem. 11. Juice, a globular compound calcium oxalate crystals with numerous crystals projecting from its surface. 12 is early wood. The wood formed in first part of growth layer and characterized by lower density and large cells than the late wood. Terms replaces spring wood. 13th is extracellulary fibers, a fiber in various tissue region other than xylem. 14th, fascicle or a bundle. 15th, fusiform cell, an elongated cell tapering at the ends. 16. Ground tissue. Tissues other than the vascular tissues, the epidermis and the periderm, also called fundamental tissue. 17. Growth. Increase in size by cell division and/or cell enlargement. 18. Gun duct. A duct that contains gums. 19. Hardwood. Technical designation of the wood dicotyledons. 20. Increment. Ingrowth, an increase or addition to the plant body by the activity of a meristem. 21. Intercalary growth, growth by cell division that occurs some distance from the meristem in which the cells originated. 22. Lamella, a thin plate or layer. 23. Libriform fiber, a silent fiber commonly with thick walls and simple pits, usually the longest cells in the tissues. 24. Matrix generally refers to a medium in which something is embedded. 25. Morphology, the study of forms and its development. 26. Mother cell, a cell giving rise to others by division. 27. Ontogeny, the development of an organism, tissues, or cell from inception to maturity. 28. Perforation plate, part of wall of a vessel number that is perforated. 29. Radial section, a longitudinal section coinciding with the radius of a cylindrical body such as dam. And last, 30. Secondary thickening, used for both disposition of secondary cell wall material and secondary growth.